is it? Somebody you know. So here it is. Cereal.
Come on already, Vato.
What she does me every day.
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a systematic.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
If you're new to my channel, do me a favor, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Also, go check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife and the kitties, we do all kinds of crazy stuff over there. So you probably get a kick out of what we do in my stories and my posts. Welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. I'm B1, your host. And today I'm gonna show y'all around our brand new used ranch and ranch house. When we bought it, it was abandoned. And when I mean abandoned, the guy got old and moved to a nursing home, and then he passed away at the nursing home. So it was empty, and there was a bunch of stuff here that we've been going through, throwing it away, and it's just been a process of cleanup, and then now we're getting into the remodel of the house. So I wanted to show y'all what's going on, and maybe you'll learn something, because I am a master plumber. I'm not an expert at remodeling houses. Well, I'm a self-proclaimed expert at remodeling houses. We've done probably, this will be our third remodel, and then we built our house from the ground up. This is 56 acres. The house is 2,400 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, kitchen, living room, pantry, and all that. It does not have a garage. It has this shed with a 2-car canopy deal. We already bought the kitchen cabinets from a house that was being remodeled. The guy had pulled them out, and they're only like 5 years old, 4 years old, something like that. And we got the granite that went with that. We're not planning on using the granite, but we are planning on using the kitchen cabinets. This is all this over here still needs to be cleaned up. We cleaned up already a bunch of stuff. It's got this shed. The guy was a pig farmer. It's kind of a mess, to be honest. This is one of the things we brought. It's like an entertainment center, but I mean, it needs to be cleaned up bad. I think this is the area where he used to wash his pigs up. These are the cabinets that we took out. This is all the area where he would keep his pigs. I don't know really how many he had. That's Birdie's Land Rover that needs some loving. You could go, I'll put the link in the description for the rebuild on that vehicle. Me and Doug did a overhaul on the motor. I'm gonna have to bring my Mustang out here eventually, put it either here or there. I gotta work on this shed. I don't know why we do this to ourselves. After being in our house for 10 years, we just got everything done, and then we go buy this piece of property, pretty much start all over again. But we're moving from 6 acres to 56 acres. Here's the house. It's 4 sides brick, which that's really good construction of a house. Can withstand a lot of weather. You don't have to worry about painting a lot of the outside except for the fascia and soffit boards. So, which you can see it needs to be painted. This is the front door. Guy was nice enough to chop a bunch of wood for us. Here's the side of it. Got a nice yard, big yard. That over there is a garden. So when we were here, right after we first bought it, we noticed that there was onions growing in there. It's like, oh shit, that's cool. Oh shit. Ah. Ow. Walked right into a sticker patch. Ugh. Don't walk in a sticker patch when you got sandals on. Anyway, onions were growing right over there. Pretty neat. The well house needs freaking work bad. It is falling apart, literally. Board over here is all falling down. Needs a new roof. The construction of the main house is really good bones, but a lot of the other stuff around here is not. Needs to be fixed. So we got our work cut out for us on this deal. We got a bunch of tile. We've already ripped out all the tile in the bathrooms and kitchen area. These are all the cabinets that we purchased on Craigslist. I think we got like 22 cabinets or something. I mean, it's just a bunch. We're gonna knock that wall down. We're gonna take the potbelly stove out, which I really don't want to, but Birdie's forcing me to. Oh, that was pretty neat. I've got the footage of us busting the tile out. I helped with some of it, but the other weekend when I was dove hunting, which if you want to see a pretty cool video on how to make dove and dumplings, I'll link it in the description below. That was last weekend. Somebody's got to supervise while she's working. You know. I was able to teach Connor how to run the chipping hammer, and he got this whole row all the way over to the wall. Boom. Got that whole row done. That's what I'm talking about right there. Boom.
And I also earned $1 in ice cream.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's gonna get paid $1 for the work that he did today. And ice cream with brownies. And Lele too, and Lele too. What we're gonna do is we're gonna rip all this carpet out, rip this wall out, rip this wall out, and then we're gonna make this open concept flow from the living room to the kitchen, and it'll be nice open concept. Show you all the hall bath. I don't even know what switch it is. Here we go. I think we're gonna replace this countertop, but I believe we're gonna leave these cabinets here. And then of course take all the wallpaper off. Nice flowered wallpaper. And I think we're gonna replace this tub too. Just because Looks like it needs to be replaced. That's where the AC unit is. Nothing big there. This is Connor's bedroom. Liam's bedroom. This is the master. As they say, this is where the magic happens. This is gonna get completely redone. We're gonna remove this. We're gonna move the shower. We're gonna add a tub. My favorite thing to have in a house as a man is a urinal. I don't know why they don't have more urinals in houses, because it makes it so much easier to go potty. And you don't get in a fight with your wife because you left the toilet seat up. Ain't that right?
That is very true. I never thought about that.
Nope. I know a plumber that can move anything. Why are you looking like that? I figured that I would bring y'all along for this adventure that we're gonna be on with this house remodel. Show y'all how we do it, and maybe y'all can learn something. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. I post them at least once a week. Hit the thumbs up button. Catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies! Now, try to run. You dang Land Rover.
How many vices do you have?
Half a dozen probably.
Good shit.
Oh,
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
Patrick.
Ain't sitting too good. Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10%'s really got me going.
Is that DNR? All right, cook those. Cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.
Oh, pretty bird, pretty bird. I'm gonna eat you with jalapeno in the middle and wrapped with bacon. Oh, pretty bird.